Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadu Ngut ki Khynnah puli na them Ribhoi klayo Rung hakathop top 20 hagajing pemana jongka Meghalaya Board of School Education yek result secondary school living certificate arajar pausan hagasandri uyayong arajar pausan Habaken kelum megajing pas bha jongki Khynnah Skul Ribhoi district klakinjo hadu prabakundai point 9% Ngut ki Khynnah Skul kilayo Rung hakathop top 20 kilong usarov pande na Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo ublayo third position but your distinction haka subject English, Mathematics, Science and Technology, Social Science, Computer Science but Hindi ka Nandini Kumari naga School Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo kablayo Rung haka sixth position dakwayo distinction but letter haka subject English, Mathematics, Science and Technology, Social Science, Health and Physical Education but ke Hindi ka Quincy Kharsono naga Umroi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Umroi klayo Rung haka 7th position but ke ini Bakor Nongrum na Nehru Memorial Secondary School Umsning klayo Rung haka 17th position
Okay, we can take a photo. Kung nga smoke man mo bangala poy kunne bangala ya result mo bha but nga ai ngo ru yo blai kram ka chingalam chung u but chinga khu chung u nganam poy hi sha chane wala ngam da poy than hi sha khamat ru tang ba nga smoke man bangala yo moi kata ka result ka ba bha wala pon ngala la chingan hi pa hi thampan ru i nom kai Kiba yai yang ai Kiba yai I'm still but la ni the problem hanong no mo kin kaloi bang yarap kim ju kilong Kiba kaloi bha ban yarap ni Miss Principal ma di long iba kaloi bha i yai I men sini yai senang ni kumdo bai ni de ban long ki Khynnah Kiba taksi untuk ki ban yai minat nam ni ya ka Lawai ka babha mo magset ang tangatahin so kentate man kasu kumtute kat balap hi ngajak pule tang badala de for example long kam stress hi untuk nyo pramuka pele kat mutahi tuition ngalet ai mo is tuition ngare sa samplang iban long bakloi ha ma iru ban yarap yang ngapor bang ada problems itu da ngalit tuition dan kama ka science long ibas pero kata tengam pat ada message te galong work hard hi galong kaba dan kam hamo ini di Khynnah Skul te bunyi ki baca ang baka mobile mo kalong kaba bakan sendiri ki Khynnah kata ka mobile kadang hi ki advantage but ki disadvantages ni mangi ki Khynnah Skul kini de banang wat penun kami ka agar kom ka bade tang kata
kum ka kami te so comment hi chikat de ni klam da khan ti ban poi hadu kalis mo kumba kalong kum gan ni ka result umta te ngamla hi ro klam da pen paw ga so yo ble kum kalong ka khon di kini baro gede ki jingkar khu bat ki jingalam ki jong uhi ho ngi jukan mo yu ki jing dwai ke hinde ba hadu kat ni badengi klam expect long baro khoi kini ba ki de ki jing kar khu ki bakat pang jong ble hi ya ka kon jungi ya ki ngisam jungi bat kum juro ya ka school jungi hi baro ka we la dangam bakla ka de after a very long time ba ka school jungi kan poi biang hakalis kunde te lengba kaniga media mo nga suman panbaw ga jing nguru ya ki nong hikai jong school naduk por ba dangret I shailong iba shaiwan sa khamat hi te ga de jing yalam jong ki nong hikai naduk English section ba kumjuro ya kini nong hikai ki bala hikai ki secondary level ga de jing trust ka jong ki jing la ka jong ki ken ban yalam ki ya ka khun ka jong ni hadu kane hadu ne upot ba muta te ngasuban ai khubli ro kumju ya ki bhaing basam ki parolok porojor kinong hikai giba na po school ba na sa baro kunju ki bala kersyanya ka kun ki joni ba kunjuro om tang ha jong kuli ki jong ki hindai kersyanya ka kun ki joni leng ba ki jing duai ro ni bon ha ki parlok ki baju phone ki baju grand ya iken but kishat kan mau bi ban ong bang kishat bu iki he kijing duai ban ngasol thu ba kini barok ki dei leng ba kijing duai jong tin ken ba New York man ke de so kong ai bu lei ya kijing ki ku ku jong ni kum ka school inisha ke de kesam ber kunjuru nga ai ku dei ya ki nong ki kai ki pala tre met bat men siem bakin kershan ya ki kena but can teach them with love and with ki khun na jong kena ai play ki ki kain out do ki no kai ju ke in section ki secondary class 10 teachers ki pala trish tomo but mensia nomor bakane ka jing boy je kani ka position hadu hamni ru kadi lingba ka trish tom ka jong ki but kumju ru kadi ka jing minot jong inisha ka jing discipline ka jong inisha ka jing long resilience jong I ka bum give up ya ka ki jing e ru ya ki temptation ru ya ka kahing ni semua masuk pa pa ya ka jing I know by ka jing I play ka ro khot but kumju ru ka but I play ya ka DSU office di Madam Ribhoi Das very joint director last year akan mau but all the principals of the school Ribhoi district kumno bangila ban lift up ya ka percentage na ka Ribhoi district di ila ai ya suggestion jong I and all the office staffs from DSO also kwa ban I could lay ya ka jing support ka jing kushan ka jing I advise jong ki but everything happens good in the end. For school journey, Inisha the 14th position, but your distinction in all and your 100 in science and technology. In our school, but there, he cannot get distinction. He long combine English, he long combine word, Kasi, he long kat pram word, health education kat nyong word, science and technology kat line word, social studies pram word, electronics kat kandai word, but information and technology line word. Ini kita kena kita your distinction subjects. Na ke school je. Kubur ke bangakwa kita kena first thing kita penong kita murid, but kita penong top. And second thing kita penong ke discipline. Amal ke discipline kita one thing which is very important ma kejuin kejuni. Pada dah kila don ni ke discipline tu akwa mungkin don ni apa consistency kinum hap na katu ka routine life ko chungki kata kade jika basi chungki but let's see menta kin pun ki temptation students nowadays they fall into temptations with everything but my encouragement is that please you cannot don't ever give up. Anything is possible if we set our mind to it. So encourage Barok ki Khynnah from Ribhoi district and all over the state of Meghalaya. They can work hard, they can be humble, they can learn the moral values and discipline.
Principal Jong Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo. Sa sisin pa ngas ngong nungkong ban ay ngu yo blay. Ya kan dia resort ke bawah kan dia snem. Hoi kadang kecing tut kendiat kecing benar jungki ya ke resort akas ni Saturday ya ke dia ke cuti ya di school jan baru. Lada day ba ni don ki kena school mutasi kecing ya syat kecing ya kemen kan long ke bah semua tenak dah dapat kini ki kena school ke bah mi ke resort ki pas buan sekemat kini oban one sha school lang ba ki mi ki pa rewal kataru kata ke kecing start jongka Meghalaya Board of School Education bakila peni ya ka resort kani ka sngi but kom ka principal ada sngo ngo shisha ya uble but kumju ru ya ki nohikai ya ki kemi ki pa ki ba krishan ya ki ya kejat but kumju ru ya ki kena school khamtam ya ki kini ki ba wan chakmat kumu soraf pande bawan haka third position but kumju ru Nandini Kumari iba wan haka 6th position. Haging shangi don shu sa langut e kena ki ban kemi unti kumi kadiala sungo iyo 92.16%, Kiba su sing tangsang iyo 92.33%, Ashwarya Shah iyo 91.83%. Result jong kababaha jong kini ki kena kadai nungkong nakajing Tracy Tom jongki kajing long jongki ni kena baro hi kini ki bawan chakman nakajing Tracy Tom kajing bek thong jongi na school kinong hikai ba ki kimi ki pa nai nungkong ngai I dai kajing long ba bah jongki kajing long nyet sneng ko ngu sneng jongki kajing long ba kajing ya simbenta jongki haki program jong school baro lahapo school ni shabar block level, district level, state level, kini kena ki jushim benta nakapor syakapor. But kuai ka mga ju long borobor ba minot haki assignments jumki, minot haki jing kot jumki ki don kan ka regular study habit. But ka mga ju ru ba kini kena kimdai ki ba long distracted lani ki ba bun kama ki mobile lani haki serial lani haka kam ki ba kumni kumtai. Ki jushim ta ki kam to sports lani ki quiz competition, science exhibition ki program ki paper ti ngasnyo ba ka kubor ko mga kwa ban ay ki kun ki ti jongi ki kena school jongi ba ngai scam na ki school baro ba nta ka snem Ribhoi ni don sakiwai ki school atli ki ba poilang ha ka position jong top 20 ni ai kublei lang ya ki ru kumjo ba ngai scam ba ka kubor ka bangi kum kinong hikai ba kinong penya school ka long ba ki kon ki kti jongi ki dei ban so tho ba ka ni ka prthei ka dei prthei ki jing ko jing le ba kim la ban chu shong thai la mi ban chu ki jing puli jong ki ban plak mi ta ki ni ki tai ki ka ban shim no ya ka por jong ki ban chu plut por kai ha ki ba shim no por jong ki na jing puli jong ki ya kublai ya T7 berbor ke bajudon bat ni ki program ke school baro bat mentak lawan kenang sini school jongi ban ai kini kubor ba omdon kata ka shortcut to success except hard work omdon kajing kanu kelenti winya penlengkot kumnu ban poish kajing job like tang da kajing trai stom kajing trai minat jongi an incentive from the school. Any of these students who are on the top list, those students who got 90% and above in the Sslc exams 2025 or every year, the school usually give free education, that means 100% fee concession if they join the school again.
Over the moon about my results, it has been really good. And first of all, I like to thank God for all His blessings. He has always been with me whenever I needed Him. And ma'am for always supporting me and all of us, and the whole class. And all the teachers who have been through, who have worked together with me. And without them, it wouldn't have been possible. And my tutor and my parents, of course. They have always encouraged me to work hard and to do my best. So I'm really thankful to all of them. It's just we need to be consistent. We have to work bit by bit, but every day. We should be consistent with our studies and we should not be distracted. We should avoid distractions and just keep doing our work sincerely. I was involved in sports as well. I used to play games and all during the recreation week and all, which was held in our school. And yeah, we should always we should study, but then at the same time we should also be involved into some games so that we are fit physically as well. It's not about how many hours we should study, but it's about if we study only for 1 hour, we should be sincere with that. We should study with full focus. So usually I used to study besides school is for 5 hours after school, and in the morning 2 hours. Yeah, you should be confident. You should have confidence. Self-confidence is really important. And you should trust yourself, trust the process, trust yourself, and you will do great.
Yeah, on this today when I got to hear the news, I was really very happy in knowing that she has got in the top 10 list. I am really grateful to the school department, all the teachers respected ma'am, who were always having an information and guidance giving towards, like whenever the result were being distributed, I think they will be giving some guidance and some tips that where she need to focus much more. That also really helped her in doing her in her studies to get much better year by year, and as she was studying from her childhood. So I think the total whatever she had been doing, get the knowledge from the school itself. And besides her, what she just now said, that she was working hard, she was having confidence that she can do better, and today she has got the result also. So she also happy, and I am really very, very happy and excited as well.